inspire us all. Thank you. Thank you so much po, Attorney Trixie. We would like also to request the governing council members, Mr. Roberto M. Cola, Mr. Junicio G. Alvindia to be represented by Engineer Raymond Joseph P. Macaranas, Mr. Bernardo V. Itanga, Engineer Augusto Suliman, and Mr. Reynaldo Lignes to come up on stage and join our awardee and top management.
Alright, thank you, Yusek Sahagun. Dear bosses and governing council members, you may now go back to your seats. And now we would like to call the awardees, families, and friends on stage. Tinatawagin na po namin ang family and friends po ni Ma'am Ines for a photo opportunity.